Meteorological Organization has classified the Atacama Desert as the driest place on Earth. This is the place where less rain falls than any other place on the planet.
It's super dry here thanks to its position next to the Andes Mountains, which block moisture from the east. So the Atacama only receives dry winds from the cool Pacific current to the west.
As air passes over this very cold current, it loses moisture, and the air that comes into the Atacama Desert, consequently, is incredibly dry.
To make a flood here needs a complete shift in the climate.
To get catastrophic flooding in this incredibly dry location took a restructuring of the atmosphere over the Pacific Ocean.
Typically in the Pacific, cold water from Antarctica is pushed towards South America and over to Australia. Every few years, that current weakens, allowing warmer water from Australia to move into the once cool Pacific current. This is called an El Niño. The warmer water fuels storms. In 2015, it's likely this El Niño combines with unusual weather pressures in the atmosphere, causing a giant thunderstorm that unleashes an incredible 14 years worth of rain in one day.
The kind of rainfall that we are seeing are the kind that we would never expect to see in a desert location. The local population really isn't prepared to handle it. So their buildings, their farmland are going to be swept away very easily under the force of these catastrophic waters.
Combine heavy rains with dry desert dust, and you've got a flood that looks more like fluid concrete. Thankfully, the forecast is set to switch back to being dry for a few more years.
These catastrophic floods are pretty rare because El Niño is not an everyday type of occurrence.